download anime clips, but your internet said nope. Don't worry, I got you covered. Today, I'll show you 3 ways to download anime clips. And yes, they are so easy, even your toaster can do it. Step 1. The classic, YouTube. This is the first way. Go to YouTube and search this YouTube channel name. This channel is provide remake clip, download easily. Just go to About section, Cricket Driver, and that's it. This is a second way. And this YouTube channel, this provide Twixtor clips, and I show you how to download, and you can search this YouTube channel name. And you want a full episode of anime, just you can download this app Analab, and I show you how to download Analab. You need to open Chrome browser and search Analab up to down and follow my steps. First of all, you need to open Analab and go to search. Whatever anime you search, you will find it here. Here it is in 2 languages, Japanese and English, and download to different languages and follow my steps. You must have seen that when you download a clip, subtitles appear in the editing project. But in this case, it won't happen. Wait, I'll show you. Like when I take this episode downloaded with subtitles, into the editing project, he is not showing subtitles. So that's it. 3 ways to download anime clips, YouTube style. Now go make those edits. And remember, if your anime clips don't download, just blame your Wi-Fi. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for this video. Wait for the next one. Till then,
さよなら。